To add a new content block, simply click the plus sign in your WordPress with Gutenberg. And today I'm going to show you, we're going to start with common blocks, and I'm going to show you how to use the paragraph block. So basically the paragraph block is exactly that. It's as if you were adding any other text and you're simply going to type, "This is a paragraph." Now, the cool thing is, once you have, hold on, because I'm going to show you something. Once you have your couple of content blocks on here, you can move them around with this up-down arrow. Or, let me move that one back. You can drag them to where you want them as well. So you can drag or you can use the arrows. Now, in addition, on your content blocks, on the right-hand side, when you click on a block, which just like that, where I'm just clicking on the little block, see how it's kind of got a border around it? It's got a border around it. You click on that. Over on the right-hand side, more options appear in your side column. See where it says block? Now watch what we can do. We can change the size of our paragraph. So if you have something that you want to stand out, you can do that. You can punch in the size if you want, okay? You can have it start with a drop cap if you like. You can make it a certain color. So I could make that black with white text, or I could make it pink with black text. And this is very, very pleasing on the eye. This is a great feature to make your blog more visually appealing, easier on the eyes. These look so good on desktop and on mobile. One of my favorites, just to let you know, is this light gray with black text. This looks really great. I would be careful about mixing your background and your text to the point where they don't match. Like that's terrible, like a pink and orange. Keep it kind of lighter colors with dark text, darker colors with light text. You could do green with white. And if you do a color that doesn't work really well, look at the bottom. It says this color combination may be hard for people to read. Try using a darker background. So you might say, okay, let me open this little custom color picker and let me see if I can get a deeper color green. There we go. Okay. And then once you kind of get it to where you want it, now that little error message disappears. So now it's going to be very pleasing on somebody's eyes to read that. Okay. So those are some options that you can do over here. Change the text, drop cap, color settings, text color. Also, you can do styling up here. So up here, if you do a paragraph and you say, you know what, I want this to be a quote, you can actually change it to a quote. See that? So it took the colors off because it changed the styling. So when you're working with a paragraph content block, you're going to have the ability to make it a list. You can make it a quote. You can make it a paragraph. And I'm also going to show you where you can actually just drop those in. So most of the time, you're going to be making a paragraph. And I'll also show you, if I just hit enter down, it starts the new paragraph for me anyway. So by default, your content block is a paragraph block, okay? Stay tuned in this series as I'm going to show you all of the ways that we can use WordPress Gutenberg content blocks.